Hello, dear traders, and welcome to our open live trading session. This is Michael Goldberg, and today we will discuss what's going on the financial markets and how can we use those situations to our advantage and make our profits. My team and me myself been trading on air for 2 years. We're making constant, stable profits with our followers. So the goal of our project is to help people understand what's going on in the market and how it can use the financial markets to gain yourself an income. We trade on with different instruments. We trade with forex, with CFDs, with binary options, and we have constant stable results for already 2 years of our open live trading sessions. Right now, our team has a closed trading webinar that we have every day, non-stop trading webinar that goes for about 6 hours. So for the people who want to uh, join our team and make stable profits with us, come and join our closed trading webinar. It's really easy, and you won't be bored with our profits. I can promise you that. So let's do a small market review of what's going on in the market right now and how can we use this knowledge to make profits. Because we have an open webinar and we do not have a lot of time, I will use binary options to make our profits uh, right now. And let's take a look on the graph of what's going on. As all of our followers know, we've been sending information about the gold today to our followers. So how you can actually use the knowledge that we just gave you with gold? As we mentioned in the email, the strong resistance point that was here at 1261, the price reached it and jumped off to the levels of 1266. So right now we expect that the price will touch it already touched level 1268 and went uh, lower. So right now the position that we will open is a put option with gold. So let's look for it. Gold. Here is gold. And we use the put option with the $200 right now. I do not open big trades. I open the trades that are not bigger than 0.5% of my capital. And in my initial trades, so I can hedge them. The followers that are copying my trades, it always depends on your capital and your expected, uh, your targets. What do you want to achieve, and what do you want to how much profit do you want to get a day, a month, and so on. Our current trade with gold went to the green zone, and we will open another trade with the euro US dollar as the price just tries to go beyond this level here, 1091. So we will open the put option right now with the euro US dollar, and let's see how our trades will work. Uh, our current trade with gold is in the green zone, and what there is still some rapid movement with the US dollar, and still the price went to the green zone. So what we basically do on our closed trading sessions, the team of the traders that we have is constantly monitoring the market, me myself as well. We are professional traders, and we trade with our followers for 6 hours non-stop. We explain how we trade, we explain the movement of the market, and we explain how to really achieve results with your trading in a short period of time. As you know, the subscription plans that are available for our followers are limited because as long as the history shows, you will need us after 3 months. After trading with us for about 3 months. Worst case scenario, you won't be leaving us for another 5 years. Uh, so the current level, as you can see now, with the euro US dollar, is fantastic. Margaret, yes, you can actually. I would not suggest to enter the trade with the dollar euro US dollar for you right now. I would suggest you to enter the gold trade. You can still do that. And yes, George, our close trade and webinars, they are 5 times a week. We trade every day that is available in financial markets. As you know, first of May will be a holiday for financial markets, so we won't be trading then. But we will have an educational webinar open for our followers where we will discuss new hedging strategy and how to apply with the Fibonacci indicators. So right now we have fantastic days of trade because of French elections that started last week, and the current movement of the euro and the US dollar and other assets is connected to it. So for people that are not familiar with the markets, the best way for you to make money right now is to follow the news on French elections, as it's pretty obvious if centrist Macron will be leading the race, that Euro will be in a better position if Marie Le Pen will be winning. So it is pretty simple. And also you can follow our close trading sessions as we will cover all the movement for all the assets, as there is a lot of movement right now. We have a pretty good movement from Apple stocks, and we opened few positions in CFDs with Apple and gold as well. Right now, for the people that want to join the trade with gold, right now I would be selling gold for sure, as we have a bearish trend and our resistance level is at 1260 right now at the moment. Tomorrow it might change, as Bloomberg forecasters were saying that we expect the gold to touch the levels on the 200 and will bounce out from there. So our current forecast is a bearish trend for gold. For the Yes, Michael, when we trade, we use different indicators. We do not only for the followers that are not familiar with the markets, I would suggest to trade with simple indicators, not to uh, create a lot of confusion for themselves. Me, myself personally, as you can see, when I trade on binary options with short trades, I do not open. I do not use a lot of indicators. I just use Bollinger Bands, as it gives you a perfect look of what's going on with the price right now at the moment, and what options are available for us right now. So let's check out what's going on with the prices right now at the moment. Our trade with the euro US dollar is also in profits. Both of our trades are in profits. So we marked in 40 seconds we will take our profits. And let's talk a little bit about the brokers that we choose. The brokers that we choose to work with are the brokers that are being tested for a few months by our team, and the brokers that actually withdraw money and that do not create difficulties for you to trade. 24 option is the regulated broker, one of the best ones. And we actually use few platforms in our trade to make sure that we diversify the risks for our investment portfolio. That is the most important part. And both of our trades were successful. I want to congratulate the people that opened the positions with us. Uh, so let's continue our short market analysis with one more trade. We have to look at it. The trades that we've opened just now, they are available for our subscribers. If you want to find out more information how to use those forecasts and how to understand the trend and how to use the knowledge that we give in our open webinars, join our closed trading sessions. Small subscription won't harm you, as I can definitely, the history can definitely, and our statistics can definitely show you that the results that will come with the webinar and your trade with us together are definitely worth it. So, yes, Elizabeth. As Elizabeth, our dear follower from Texas, a 68-year-old woman, became a successful trader with us in 6 months, and she has a stable profit of 25% every month. I don't think that a bank can give you that. Any bank in the Western world. So, even though we had big news from U.S. today with the crude oil report, um, we still see that the oil won't breach the level of 50, and it bounced off from the psychological level of 50 and remained at the level of 49.76. So my position now for gold in the short term will be a put option. Let's open our position there on 24 option. We'll look for crude oil. I'm sorry, we're expecting some technical difficulties right now at the moment. Please wait. And to our trade. Right now we're looking for oil. And yes, the current level is pretty attractive for us. And we opened the put trade for a few minutes right now. And let's see how our movement will work. We caught the perfect movement. The perfect entrance position was here. But nonetheless, our position is a green zone right now. And we hope that in the 3 minutes it will remain the same. For the people that have just started trading, they had negative experience when they traded before, make sure you put the real targets for yourself, for your capital, and don't create uh, unnecessary risks for yourself. As when you put yourself at risk by creating yourself an expectation that you can make 300% a month, it is not worth it. So our current position with the euro, US dollar, and oil was in the green zone. Another good position that we've opened in our webinar. And what can we expect in the next few days? What I would suggest to concentrate on. We have few perfect positions right now. All currency pairs connect with the euro and US dollar, and also gold, as we mentioned in our emails for our subscribers. The trend for gold is bearish. So if you want to find out how to maximize your profits with your current investment portfolio, join our closed trading sessions and get much more trades, much more fun, and a lot of market analysis and good knowledge that will be available for you 5 days a week.